Alright then fellas, here we go. We've got something from Scotland. Harviestoun. Old engine oil. Engineers Reserve. Roasty malt chocolate vicious or viscous. Blackest ale. 9%. Crafted with a twist. Since 1983. Is that all? You're kidding. I thought it was going to be like 300 years old, the brewery or something, since 1983, but they've really been doing great things, this brewery. I love their beers. I've done a few of their tastings. I've done this one before. I'm going to have to revisit it or whatever you have to write, or who gives a toss. But I really enjoyed it. That's why I bought it again. I just wanted to have it again. I went to Purvis today. Haven't been there for quite a while, so it was good to get in there and get a few different beers, as you probably noticed. Anyway, so here we go, the old engine oil. Cheers, everyone. One of those beers you don't want to just scoff it down. You've got to enjoy every little bit of it. Oh, that's beautiful. What I notice about this is it's malty and rich. Carries all these flavours. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Chocolatey. Getting the barley now, the malt. Tiny bit of licorice and aniseed maybe. Yeah, well, that's interesting. That's a good beer. And I think this brewery, they do quite a lot of bloody great beers. So look out for them, fellas. So it's like for the special occasions, on your birthday and Christmas and then all the rest of it. Bring a few of these along and enjoy something really yummy. Yeah, something luscious, rich, thick, dark, chocolatey. Ooh, it's not bad. Christmas is coming up. The festive season. Well, that's what it is, isn't it? So get amongst it, enjoy it, and look out for the good brews. Cheers.